Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing an interesting cake recipe with you all, in which I'm not going to use any oil or dairy butter, which are high in saturated fat content. Instead, I'll be using a healthy alternative, Disano peanut butter. Disano peanut butter is zero in cholesterol, loaded with potassium, vitamins and 25% protein, which will make your cake healthy as well as yummy. Let's take a look at the Disano peanut butter cake recipe. To bake this cake, I've taken a kadhai and into it I've put half cup salt and placed a stand. You can also use pressure cooker. Keep the flame medium and preheat this for 10 minutes. Okay, so in a bowl add half cup plus 2 tablespoon milk. To the milk add 1/4 cup Disano peanut butter. I'm using the creamy variant. This peanut butter is easily available in supermarkets near you or you can buy on Amazon. To get an additional discount of 25%, you can use the promo code mentioned in video's description box. Now to this add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Give it a good mix. And then add 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, I'm using Dutch processed, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Now I'm not going to sift all the dry ingredients together. So I'm going to sift a little dry ingredients and then mix, and again the rest. If you want, you can sift all the dry ingredients together and mix. So I've added all the dry ingredients, so I've switched from whisk to a spatula. So now I'm gently folding the batter. So this looks done. To this add 1 teaspoon synthetic white vinegar or sirka and mix it gently. Immediately pour into a mold. So this is 5-inch cake mold which I have lined with butter paper on the sides as well as bottom. To bake this in an OTG or convection, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake this cake for 25 to 30 minutes. But I'm going to bake it in my kadhai, so this has been preheating. Just place the cake mold inside, cover, and at medium flame you need to first cook for 7 minutes and then at low flame 35 to 40 minutes or till the cake is done. So after this time you can uncover it, check if the cake is done. So you can see the skewer has come out clean. You can put a knife as well to check if the cake is done. I'm going to cover this cake with a cloth and let it cool down completely. The cake has cooled down. Let's remove it from the mold. Because I've used butter paper on the sides, it becomes very easy to remove the cake from the mold. I'm going to remove the top layer. If you want, you can just keep it. Remove the top layer and then divide the cake into layers as much you want. So I'm going to just divide this cake into 3 layers. And we have not used any oil or dairy butter to make this cake, only peanut butter. So here I've got 3/4 cup whipping cream. The whipping cream should be very cold. Whip it to stiff peaks. Since this is a peanut butter flavored cake, I'm going to also add some peanut butter to the whipped cream. So approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can add more if you would like to. And then fold the whipped cream gently. My whipping cream is already sweetened. That is the reason I have not added any sugar to it. Now apply a little cream on a cake board and place one of the layers of the cake and pour some sugar syrup. This is a combination of 2 tablespoons sugar and 3 tablespoons water. Now spread some cream. Then place the second layer and repeat the steps. And now cover the entire cake with the cream. You can use an offset spatula. I'm just using a normal small butter knife because butter spatula because I'm using this thing. I don't know what this tool is called. It is just to make ridges on the sides of the cake. You can buy this thing at any shop where you get all the baking supplies. So this cake is done. I've cleaned the sides, of the cake board, and I'm going to refrigerate it for some time till we make our liquidy ganache. 4 tablespoon dark chocolate plus 1.5 tablespoon milk. Yes, I'm not using cream to make this. You can microwave this for 20 seconds or using a double boiler, normally the way we melt chocolate and the way I do it in all my other videos. You can do it that way as well. So this looks done. It is runny. Yes, we want it to be of this consistency. Now let it cool down. And after it cools down to room temperature, you can use a spoon and make drippings like this. And the drippings are ready. After that, just pour some ganache in the center and spread it evenly. So a thin ganache like this is very easy to spread and level. That is the reason I used milk here. This looks done. I'm going to refrigerate it for some time, like 5-10 minutes, and after that, and finally I'm sprinkling some crushed salted peanuts. If you want, you can also put dry fruits or grated chocolate or just pipe the whipped cream. I'm trying to be a little gentle here. I want a very clean cut. So after every cut you need to clean your knife in order to get something like this. So this was the recipe of peanut butter cake in which I did not use oil or dairy butter. We used a healthy alternative which is peanut butter. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.